Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be cooking this Just Cook lemon herb chicken thighs that we picked up at Costco. This comes in a 2-pack. Today we're just going to be making the one. We're also going to be making it on the grill today, but if you would like to know the oven instructions, here they are. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Take this out of its package. You're going to remove the garnish of lemon and oregano. You're going to place this on a baking sheet and pop it in your oven for 25 to 35 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But now let's go ahead with our grilling instructions. We've got everything that we need: a meat thermometer, a plate for later, our cooking spray, a knife to open this bad baby up, and some tongs to flip it whenever we need to. And I already have my Ninja Foodi grill preheating to medium. It says to cook it medium high on the grill, which is between 375 and 450 degrees. So the Ninja Foodi grill, the medium setting is 450 degrees, so that is just what we need. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and transfer it onto our grill. We're gonna make sure that we remove our oregano and our lemon slices from the top of this. All right, our grill is fully preheated to medium. We're gonna add our food. So first things first, we're gonna put a little bit of cooking spray on the surface of our grill. And then I'm just gonna pop our chicken thighs onto the grill. We're gonna close that up, and it says to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on each side. So this automatically sets to 10 minutes. I'm gonna let that go and then flip it over after the 10 minutes. All right guys, it has been almost our 10 minutes. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna flip these chickens over. There we go. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is set my time for another 10 minutes. Which is their recommendation, but I'm gonna check this halfway through and see what our temperature is looking like. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it's been half the time. We're gonna open this up and check our temperature. All right, we've just barely reached 165 on here. We're gonna check this one. And we're checking in the thickest part of the chicken. And we're over 165 on this as well. So total of 15 minutes in the Ninja Foodi grill on medium. So that made it all the way cooked for this, but always check your temperature first as well to make sure that it is fully cooked. All right guys, so here is our fully cooked chicken. If you'd like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase it again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.